Love woodworking? Get the right tools for precision, power, and perfection. From hand tools to power tools, the right gear makes all the difference. Craft smoother edges, sharper joints, and flawless finishes with ease. Cut, shape, and build like a pro, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned craftsman. Woodworking made easy. Crooked dowel joints? Uneven holes? Meet the Woodpeckers Dowel Guide, your key to perfect alignment every time. With its precision machine guides, you get perfectly straight, evenly spaced dowel holes, no guesswork. Works on edge, corner, and face joints ideal for furniture, cabinetry, and woodworking projects. Stronger joints. Cleaner builds. Get the Woodpeckers Dowel Guide today. Cutting perfect angles can be tricky, but not anymore. Meet the Woodpeckers Angle Miter Divider, your ultimate angle measuring tool. With its precision pivot design, this tool automatically bisects angles, giving you the exact miter cut every time. No more guesswork, no more errors, just flawless joints for trim, frames, and woodworking projects. Measure. Mark. Cut. Get the Woodpeckers Angle Miter Divider today. Want precision, control, and stability in your routing? Meet the StableMax RT router table system, the ultimate upgrade for your workshop. With its solid construction and adjustable fence, you get smooth, accurate cuts every time. Less mess, more precision thanks to an efficient dust collection system. Safer, smoother, and more precise routing. Get the StableMax RT router table system today.
Just wait till the next time. I always do. I wanna cozy up with you.
Precision matters in woodworking. Meet the Delve Square by Woodpeckers, your ultimate layout and measuring tool. With its laser-etched markings and precision machined edges, you get dead-on accuracy every time. Measure, mark, and square with confidence, perfect for joinery, layout, and detailed work. Smaller. Smarter. More precise. Get the Delve Square by Woodpeckers today. Accuracy is everything. Meet the Woodpeckers PolyGauge SS, the ultimate tool for perfect angles and precise layouts. With preset angles from 10 degrees to 90 degrees, marking and checking cuts has never been easier. Measure, mark, and verify with confidence, perfect for joinery, bevels, and precision cuts. No guesswork. No mistakes. Get the Woodpeckers PolyGauge SS today. Finding the center shouldn't be a guessing game. Meet the Woodpeckers MT Center Gauge, your go-to tool for perfect center markings every time. Precision machined and easy to use, this tool helps you mark the exact center in seconds. Ideal for drilling, joinery, and symmetrical layouts, no more errors, just perfect alignment. Fast. Accurate. Reliable. Get the Woodpeckers MT Center Gauge today. Too many tools cluttering your workspace? Meet the Woodpeckers 6-in-1 Pocket Gauge, one tool for all your precision measuring needs. It's a depth gauge, height gauge, marking gauge, square, divider, and angle finder all in one. Compact, precise, and built for pros, this tool does it all with zero guesswork. Less clutter. More precision. Get the Woodpeckers 6-in-1 Pocket Gauge today. Struggling with inaccurate circles and arcs? Meet the Woodpeckers Pocket Compass, the compact tool for precision every time. Adjustable, durable, and easy to use, it lets you mark precise circles and curves in seconds. No wobbles, no errors, just perfect markings for your next project. Small, smart, and built for pros. Get the Woodpeckers Pocket Compass today.
and show me smooth. I wanna float away with you.
Need perfectly aligned markings on multiple surfaces? Meet the Woodpeckers Joiner's Saddle Square, the ultimate tool for flawless layout work. With its precision machine 90 degrees design, you can accurately mark both faces and edges with ease. No misalignment. No second guessing. Just perfect, consistent markings for your joinery. Simple. Accurate. Essential. Get the Woodpeckers Joiner's Saddle Square today.
I wanna cozy up with you.
Getting precise drill angles shouldn't be a hassle. Meet the Woodpeckers Drill Press Protractor, your key to accurate, repeatable drilling. Easy to read scales and precision machined adjustments make setting angles quick and effortless. No more guesswork, no more mistakes, just spot on accuracy for every cut. Precision at every angle. Get the Woodpeckers Drill Press Protractor today.
Your eyes in the moonlight, ideas in my tired mind, make me wanna take flight.
Aligning corners perfectly can be tricky, but not anymore.
Life is a dark night.
Meet the Woodpeckers Corners Lock, the ultimate tool for precision corner alignment.
Hands wanna hold tight.
With its self-locking design, the Corners Lock holds your corners square, no clamps needed. Whether you're building frames, cabinets, or furniture, this tool ensures perfectly square corners every time. Fast, easy, and accurate. Get the Woodpeckers Corners Lock today. Tired of measuring tool depths the hard way? Meet the Woodpeckers Adjustable Setup Block, your tool for quick, precise setups every time. With precise, adjustable measurements from 1/8 foot to 2 foot, it helps you set depths, blade heights, and fence positions with ease. No more trial and error. Just fast, accurate setups to get your projects done right.
Whose turn is it
Quick,
this time?
easy, and accurate.
I'll go and I'll
Get the Woodpeckers Adjustable Setup Block today.
till